Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about how to adjust session timeout in GA4. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's get to know what is session in GA4. So for learning more about session, we'll go to the official documentation of GA4. You can see over here, GA4 about analytics session. Discover more about Google Analytics 4 sessions, including how session IDs and numbers are generated when events are started. A session is a period of time during which a user interacts with your website or app. What counts as a session? In analytics, a session initiates when a user either opens your app in the foreground or views a page or a screen and no session is currently active. For example, their previous session has timed out. By default, a session ends timeout after 30 minutes of user inactivity. There is no limit to how long a session can last, So you can see over here, they have given us some instruction on how you can adjust session timeout, So we'll see it practically. And they have given us some instructions on how events are associated with a session ID and number. So you can read those necessary informations from here, how the number of session is calculated, where you can see the session metrics, differences in session counts, BigQuery consideration, differences from universal analytics. So I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about analytics sessions, So let's see how we can adjust session timeout from GA4 dashboard practically. So we'll go to our Google Analytics properties. So you can see over here, I'm one of the GA4 properties of mine. So I'm going to click on admin section. Then I'm going to click on data streams. I'll be choosing this data stream. And if I scroll down a little bit, then I have an option called configure tag settings. So I'm going to click on this arrow. Just wait a little bit. So if I scroll down a little, then you can see over here, we have an option called show all button. So I'm going to click on it. Then we can see adjust timeout, adjust session timeout is available here. So I'm going to click on this. And we have three options available here, like adjust session timeout, hours, minutes, and adjust timer for engage sessions. So you can customize those options as per your requirements. Like if you want to give the hours as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, so you can do it. So for the time being, I'll keep it as 0. And from the minute section, by default, the session timeout is 30 minutes. So you can customize the minute according to your requirements. Like you can give the minutes as 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes. So for example, I'm going to choose minute as 45 minutes, So, and hopefully you have already learned about engage session. So if I hover over it, you can see over here, a session becomes an engage session if it lasts longer than a certain amount of time. The default threshold for engagement time is 10 seconds, but can be adjusted here. So if you want, you can customize the seconds from here. Like I want to give it 20 seconds. So if a user lasts longer than or equal 20 seconds, then I want to create an engage session event, So yeah, you can customize those options as per your requirements. So I'm going to click on save. So this is how we can adjust session timeout from our GA4 property. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye-bye.